Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now tie all the hairs divided from the between. Now make a space in the between and then rotate it. After rotating it, we will tie the hairs on the bottom, make the plaits and then fold it upward and fix it inside the hairs like this. Now rotate the hairs on the top and then use the hair bun pins to fold the hairs and fix it. Take the hair bun pins to fix the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now again take the hairs from the sides, join them like this and then rotate it like this and fix them. Fix them into each other after rotating it like this. Now we will tie all the hairs together and make the plaits. Fold it upward and fix it like this using the hair bun pins on the top. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie a ponytail. Now take this bun pin, fix it from the downwards and then fold it upward like this. Take a rubber band and tie it like this and then fix it by folding it down and put the hair bun pin to fix it on the top like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now tie all the hairs, divide it into two parts and then tie them from the downside like this and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will fold it upward and then fix it like this. Tie them and then again fold it like this. Fix it upward, fix it inside the hairs like this and put the hair clutch or the bun pin to fix it on the top. Tie it properly and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to take the hairs and then tie it as shown in the video. Make a ponytail. Now take this bun pin, roll the hairs around it and fix it on the top and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and rotate it. Now tie all the hairs. Now take the hairs from the middle, tie it like this and then fold it by taking all the hairs. Fix it on the top by putting the bun clutch over it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, make a ponytail. Divide the hairs into two parts, fold it upward like this and fix it like this by rolling it around. Fold the hairs and then fix it in the between by putting this bun pin and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a ponytail, so tie the hairs upward and fix it by folding it down. Now fold it and then tie the hairs from the between using a rubber band. After that, we will fix the hairs inside the bun and put the hair clutch over it to fix the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail like this. After that, fix the hairs. Now fold it upward and fix it inside the hairs and then cover it from the top. Put the clutch over it and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail, take this bun plaits and fix it on the hairs on the top, tie it till the end and then roll it upward like this. Fold it and spread it from the sides and then spread the hairs like this. Fix it by putting the bun pin on the downside and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail. Fix the hairs by putting this bun pin on the hairs and then fold it down. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down like this. Fix it using the hair bun pins and then spread the hairs like this. Put the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs and then roll the hairs using the fingers on the top like this. Fix it using the bun pin on the sides and put it tightly. And your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.